Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Westkiss deep wave lace frontal wig right here. The hair actually came in this cute little packaging and it comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with, a cap, a reversible cap, and it also comes with a comb, baby hair comb, elastic band, an eyelashes, a wig cap, and a scarf and a cute satin bag to store your wig. Amazing. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box, and as you can tell, the details of the hair is right on the screen. It's 24 inches lace frontal wig with 250 density. This is what the wave pattern looks like straight from the box. I am loving it. Look at that. And as you guys can tell, the hairline has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and it also has baby hair around the perimeters of it. I absolutely love the wave pattern. The curls are popping like straight from the box. The curls are popping. Look at that. So the hair has baby hair around the perimeters of it, and the lace is also HD lace. So as you can tell, it's melted into my skin. The hair has 3 combs at the front and also 1 comb at the back. It also has an elastic strap as well. So going straight to the installation of the hair, I cut the excess lace from my hair tab and I applied my wig by applying a lace adhesive on my right side. But first thing first, I'm showing you guys the 2 ways to install your hair. You can decide to cut the lace first in the first instance, like this one that I'm showing you guys. You cut the lace first, apply the glue and place the lace at the edge of the adhesive. So on the other hand, you can also leave the lace on your head depending on how well the cap fits you, and then apply your lace gel or glue, whichever one you decide to go for, and then place the hair on it and blow dry it. So you have 2 options in terms of using your glue or gel to install your head, which is what I am doing right now. So the choice is yours. You either cut the lace first or leave the lace on and apply your lace wig like I showed you in this video. So yeah, that's basically what I did. I showed you guys the 2 options that you can use to install the lace wig. So the choice is yours. So yeah, after that I just showed you guys what the hair looks like. You don't have to do anything, and bear in mind you don't need a glue or gel to install this head. The construction of the cap is glueless. It comes with 3 combs at the front and elastic band as well, so you don't need any glue or gel. But I decided to go for it anyway because I will be wearing the wig. I thought I would be wearing the wig for a while, and as you can tell, you can pat the hair anywhere you like. You can go for center parts, half parts, because the hair is 13 by 4, so there's actually enough room for you to pat your wig to the back, left, right, or center, however you decide to go for. Look at the volume of this hair, guys. Look at that. All you need is just to cut the lace and you are good to go. Look at that. The hair is really full to the brim, and in terms of quality, I love this hair. Look at how full the hair is, and the most amazing thing about the hair is the fact that the wave pattern is actually the same throughout the length of the hair. How amazing is that? Look at that. I really loved it. So yeah, look at how voluminous the hair is. So moving on, I decided to go for a wet look, and to go for a wet look you need to make sure that the front part is melted. So look at the lace. Show me sis, please show me the lace. Show me the lace. The lace is melted. I love it. I love the hairline straight from the box. You don't have to stress whatsoever. Anyways, I actually wanted to go for a wet look, so all I did was just to apply my mousse on the hair, and then apply. You can actually spray water on your hair. You don't need any mousse, but I don't have my water bottle or spray bottle closer to me, so all I did was just apply my mousse instead. But if you have spray water bottle, just spray water on your hair. the curls will definitely be popping if you're going for a wet look. Look at that, guys. So that's all you need to do. Spray water or spray mousse, whichever one you have around you, you are good to go. Look at that. I love the curls. I love the curls. They are popping. Look at that. From the top to the brim of the hair, the curl pattern is just amazing. I love it. I love it. Look at that. And the hair is really, really full as well. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be one of my go-to curly hair. I really, really love it. As you can tell, the wave pattern is just popping. Like, I have tried some sense that I just kept going up and down. Anyway, to apply a bit of, gloss or shine into the hair, I applied the, product shining. I forgot what it's called, but feel free to apply whatever you like on your hair. Look at that. Feel free to apply whatever you like. So stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Don't forget to mention the fact that their shipping was quick as well. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Westkiss deep wave lace frontal wig. The hair is giving me life. Look at that, guys. The curls are popping, guys, really popping. I am loving it. So I'm just quickly gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. First thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that everything has been done for you straight from the box, and the hair is really, really full from the top to the... What I really like about this hair is the fact that the hair is really, really full and definitely true to length, very soft and very, very silky to touch. Since I've been styling it, there has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. The thing I like about this hair is the fact that the lace is actually transparent straight from the bottom. You can barely tell if I've actually cut the lace or not. I really like that as well about the lace, about the wig. And the most amazing thing I like about the hair is the quality of the hair, guys. I've really love the quality of the hair. It's so soft. The hair is really full and very soft. Look at that. There has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of this hair. I am loving it so far. If you guys don't know Westkiss hair, Westkiss hair are hair brand that sells all types of hair on their websites. They have lace closure wig, they have colored wigs, they have all types of hair on their website. And if you're not a fan of black hair, feel free to check out their website as well. They sell all types of colored hair. Depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you definitely find something on their website for you or your loved ones. So yeah, feel free to check them out. I am loving this hair. I love the fact that the curls are popping. Like, guys, you don't have to apply anything on this hair. Straight from the box, just cut your lace and you're good to go. And bear in mind, this lace wig is actually glueless, but I decided to go for glue anyways. You can use the elastic strap straight from the box to install the hair, and it also comes with an elastic band as well. You can also attach that into the wig and wear your wig glueless. Like, seriously, show me the lace. Like, where is the lace? I really love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair is so bouncy. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.